Hello everyone, I am Preeti Sharma, a student of American Institute, Kuchaman City. So today I am going to discuss society, female ferticide. What is ferticide? Ferticide means killing a fetus in mother's womb. Female ferticide is a practice of aborting a fetus after knowing that the fetus is female. So there is lots of reason in our society behind female ferticide. The first is cultural preference. We can see female ferticide very easily through our history and cultural background. Most of Indian parents prefers a boy because they know that he provides them a manual labor and success their family's lineage, and they also prefers a boy as an asset because since he will earn and contribute to their family's economical condition, and apart from this they prefers a girl as a burden because after her marriage they think that after her marriage she will go to her in-laws house, and then she will not able to contribute in her family's economic condition. And it is a continuation in many form, like in India, it is most of parents don't care a girl child because after her birth, because they got her unwillingly. And second reason is dowry system. We know very well that dowry system is legally banned in India with the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961, but it is still going on due to lack of monitoring. What is dowry system? Dowry is payment from the bride's side to the groom's family at the time of their marriage, and it is often seen in monogamous families. What is monogamous families? Where women doesn't have proper role, doesn't have main role in their families, and it is going on through the lack of toughness of laws, and that most of people think that it is better to pay 15,000 for fine now instead of paying 5 to 15 lakh in future for dowry. And the third reason is India's weak social security system. We know that India has a limited social security system, so most of parents look out their son's future because they know that he will take care of them in their old age, and other side they don't care about a girl. And the other reason is poverty and lack of education, and advantage of technology, obsession for his son, gender discrimination. And in India most of doctors really most of doctors want to fulfill their money desires. They don't think morally. And at last I want to say that if we really want to stop these type of activities, then we have to try to improve the mindset of our society. We should make the girls self-dependent. We should make them educated. We should make them aware about their rights. So thank you for listening me.